Hey guys, Tucker here with Terranova Outdoor Living. I wanted to bring you guys along for a job that we have today. It's not your typical big, huge job, but it's a very detailed job that the client reached out to us because we're more than capable of doing so. The client reached out and said, you know, hey, my pavers are starting to fade. There's algae building up just from the elements. So what I did is I reached out to the client. I explained to her, you know, what exactly we can do, the pros and cons of getting her deck cleaned, resanded, and resealed. So over here, as you can see, we have a freshly dirty project with grass growing up, beat up by the sun, the rain, and different elements, the animals that are around this area. I told the client, I will be here. What I'll do is I'll clean everything perfectly. I'll get all the stains removed, all the algae off, all of the grass that's growing up in the cracks. What I'll do is I'll come back, and once it's perfectly clean and we have it to a point where it's dried out, I'll resand with either polymeric sand, which is great, typically used to interlock the pavers to where it dries up as you install it. And then also you can do regular beach sand, and the regular beach sand just fills all the cracks. It does dry up a little bit, but it's your less expensive route. I definitely recommend when you're doing this, when you do pressure wash and you do these types of things, the cracks, always the sand comes out, so you have exposed openings. So I always recommend, if you're gonna pressure wash and seal your pavers, to always get it resanded. As you can see here, this is a freshly new job. And what I'm gonna do is show you guys step one, and that's cleaned and ready for final results.
Tell me how to keep this, and I'll be alright. Just tell me what's the secret, and I'll hold it tight, cause I don't wanna spend another moment without you again. Just tell me how to keep this, so it never ends. If I were God, just for a day, I would be guilty of letting the whole world slip away. I wouldn't change, no, I wouldn't change a thing. I leave the mistakes, I'll take the blame as I use the chance to keep you just the same. If I were God, just for a day. Don't tell me how it changes. It's you I can't replace. Don't tell me that we're hopeless. I can learn from my mistakes, cause I don't wanna spend another moment without you again. If I were God,